Yeah, so I request everyone to please confirm, is my voice is clear? Everyone able to understand, right? Anyone unmute and speak?
Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
audible. Hi.
Audible.
Very good, very good. So, welcome to DURGASOFT online training sessions. Welcome to DSA with Python. Myself, Prakash Babu, having almost 10 plus years of experience as trainer. Sir, today we are going to start a new course DSA with Python. DSA with Python. Sir, in full form, data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms with Python, which is a trendy course what we have and very, very important nowadays. So if you see any interview product based companies, if you want to succeed in IT industry or if you want to get job in IT industry, so we know there are so many languages are there. You must be efficient in three aspects in my point of view. What is the first one is you should be very clear with one programming language. Sir, any programming language, it can be Java or it can be Python, any programming language, but one programming language you must be very clear. Second thing, sir, coding skills, or I can say programming. Programming skills are so very, very important. Sir, any programming skill. So, sir, I am very expert in Java. No problem. Practice the programming skills or coding knowledge you need to improve. In addition to these two, present trending is nothing but you must have knowledge in data structures and algorithms. You must have the skills in DSA also. So compulsory these three parameters every company is expecting from student side. Unfortunately, students nowadays they are becoming very lazy and they are trying to learn each and everything from chat gpt or any other resources they are using, and they are copy pasting the assignments or coding challenges. So the probability of having the skills with respect to the programming is very less. So better you should be in the top if you have these three things in your hand. Okay, that is nothing but my suggestion for everyone. Next, coming to this course, let us explain first the syllabus, then we will go one by one. So, coming to the course structure, we have two parts are there in this. In part one, we will talk about algorithms. Okay, in part two, we will discuss about data structures. So, there are two parts will be there. Sir, in part one, what concepts, what modules we are going to cover? Sir, we will talk about time and space complexities, how you are going to calculate. Because nowadays, you can see if you have any problem statement, computer problem statement is there means there are so many solutions you can able to find for the same problem. Suppose if you take swapping of two numbers. Sir, how many logics we can write for that? Around 6 to 7 logics are there. Around 6 to 7 logics are there. Sir, among those logics, which logic is the best? How you can able to select that this logic is the best? How we are going to select? Sir, for that, we have to perform some analysis with respect to time, how much time it is taking, with respect to space, how much time, how much space it is taking. That we have to understand. Next, after completion of this, there is one concept called recursion. So, recursive algorithms we are going to see. What is mean by recursion? So, whatever you know about recursion is a very less, sir. In the background, there are n number of things are happening. So, like a stack will be created, method calls are going to be there. So, what about those things we are going to do investigation on this? Then, after completion of this, sir, we are going to talk about backtracking. It is also one of the application. So next and after that, bit manipulations like how to work with binary numbers. Okay, we have bitwise operators also there, right? All those things we are going to discuss. Now, after this, sir, sorting algorithms. What are the various sorting algorithms are there? And what are the various searching algorithms we have? Okay, so after completion of this divide and conquer algorithms. So next and after that, we are going to discuss about okay, greedy, greedy algorithms what we have, and even dynamic, dynamic programming. So next and after that, hashing, hashing algorithms. Like these 10 topics we are going to cover as a part of these algorithms. Next, coming to data structures, you know already Python provides the basic data structures, right? So we will see the revision of, or I can say recap, recap of Sir Python's inbuilt data structures. Sir, we have a string is there, we have a list is there, we have tuple is there, etc. Just we are going to cover a kind of recap. Okay. So after this, we are going to talk about different types of data structures. So as a part of this linked list, how linked list data structure is going to work, how we are going to develop. Sir, before that, so we have to talk about array data structure also. Of course, we have some small drawbacks are there. That part we will see. Next and after that, linked list, linked list data structure. Next and after that, stack data structure. Okay, so next and after that, queue data structure we are going to discuss. Okay, after completing this stack and the queue, even hash table data structure, how hash table is going to work. Sir, here after this array, we will do in detail investigation on string data structure also. I forgot to add that hash table data structure. Okay. So next and after that, so tree tree data structure, which is very very important. Around some 20 applications we will cover on this. Then, sir, heap data structure, priority queue. It is also called as priority queue. So next and after that, so what we have here is graph. Okay, graph data structure. So what is mean by graph? How you can work with graph? These are nothing but the 10 modules what we are going to cover as a part of data structures. And these are the 10 modules what we are going to cover as a part of our algorithms. These two parts will be there in this course, along with programs, practice questions, everything will be there. So now, if you are having any questions, you can ask me. Then we will go in detail. Any question?
I have a question. So, like, is it like mandatory to know Python before going through this course?
Ah, yes. So what I am telling here is, so everything, see, whether it is a Java or JavaScript or Python, anything, this content is the same. So if you take recursive algorithms, I'm going to explain the theoretical point of the recursion, how it is going to work. But if I want to show me with the help of examples like that, if you are asking, I should write the code and I need to demonstrate, right? For that, what tool I am going to use? There must be a standard language.
Mm-hmm.
That language is nothing but I am taking Python. So compulsory Python knowledge must be required. Then only you can able to. Sir, please be on mute. I request everyone to please be on mute. These sessions are being recorded. So please never create any disturbance because after completion of the session, some people are going to watch this. So please be careful. Okay. So now coming to this content, 1 minute.
One more
So
question.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me finish my answer. So we are going to see the implementation in Python, right? So compulsory you should have a Python knowledge. Then only you can understand the coding part. Okay. Because these programs are lengthy programs.
Mm-hmm.
So compulsory, we are going to write the total code on with my own hands. I will type. So you should be able to understand the content what I am going to type. So don't focus on the syntaxes and all that you should have in the prior.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear. Like I have basic knowledge on Python. I have like I know Python at the basic level. I can perform the basic, not advanced Python, I would say, but yeah, how we make functions, like similarly we do in Java. So,
Yeah, it's
but
okay. It's
then
okay.
fine,
These
right?
things are okay. Yeah, then fine.
I just had one question.
Yes, sir. Please. You can
So,
ask.
so I'm a working professional, sir, and I already work using Python. But
Okay.
sometimes when we work on actual business use cases, we don't
Hmm.
know where to use recursion, where to use divide and conquer. So those differences out of these 10 algorithms at real
Hmm.
time use case, where and which will fit in where, and this understanding of where to use what. So this will be also taught, right? Some real case
Yes,
use cases.
exactly. See, whatever question you asked, that is the gap between these engineering students or any graduate or post graduation students with respect to the company. So because they have the coding skills and they understand the requirement also. But selecting the proper tool is a very difficult, challenging task. So if you want to make that more problems if you practice, see, I am telling recursion, around 30 examples I will demonstrate. Not only 30, what you need to do at your free time, just to go through the net. Everything is available, right? Search recursion related problems in lead code or hacker and something like that. They will show you the coding links. Open that and try to, even if it is explained by myself also, try to open and take a paper and pen, draw the diagram how it is going to work. Like that, hardly if you spend 1 hour time to complete that recursion concept wise, then you can able to understand any problem automatically in your mind. What kind of algorithm is suitable for that problem you will get. See, the problem is only with respect to algorithms. Data structures, we have a clear clarity because if I want to use last in first out, I need to go for one data structure. First in first out, one data structure. Hierarchical manner means one data structure. Like that, we have a easy pickup will be there. But algorithms are the problematic. If you understand where to use, only by practice. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Any other questions from your end, please?
Sir, with these concepts, we will also try to solve the problems on programming.
Yes, you can also able to solve.
Okay, sir.
And one last question here. The duration mentioned is like 6 weeks, right? 6 weekend batches.
Ah, yes, yes.
And
My suggestion is don't stick on to the duration. So
Mhm.
if happily if you spend time, anyway, these are the weekend sessions. So we will spend some time from evening to night. Meanwhile, breaks will be there. So plus or minus 1 or 2 will be there that we can adjust. It can be completed within 6 weekends, or it may extend to 1 weekend or 2 weekends. There is no problem. We won't wind up without covering all the topics. Okay.
Okay. And what will be the timings like during class?
Yeah, sorry, that what I have not mentioned in the beginning. See, the timings of this session is 7 p.m. onwards, not 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So remember, the timings is 7 p.m. It is fixed. Sometimes I may take 6:30 or 6 o'clock. Sometimes I will take at 7:30 also. That prior intimation will be there for you people. So at a stretch, 3 hours or 4 hours session will be there. Meanwhile, I'm going to give the breaks also, don't worry. Okay. And the full hands-on also I'm going to give.
Sir, it is colliding with the other batch. 7:31 batch is there. So if it is
Okay. So
possible.
no, 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 no. Maximum. So you have 7:30 at I'm
Yeah,
not
it's
getting your
starting
question.
time. Yeah, actually there is a batch at 7:30. So I'm attending that one. So it will start at 7:30. I was thinking like this batch will start at around 6 and will wind up maximum at 9.
Oh, no, 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 sir. This back is a weekend batch. Weekend batch means more time we are going to spend. Even if I start 6 o'clock also, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, like that, 3 hours duration. Class duration is 3 hours. See, weekend means it is not a special batch. It is a weekday batch only. In weekday, what we will do? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 hours we are going to take the session. These 5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday 2.5 hours, Sunday 2.5 hours. Like that we are going to plan. Okay. So only for professionals and those who are willing to continue at a stretch. So for easy understanding purpose, for them, this batch is suitable. Got it, sir? Clear?
Yeah. And when like this week only we have demo sessions. From next week it will be like actual class.
Yes. Today and tomorrow demo sessions will be there. So from next week onwards, we are going to continue.
And so in that case, like today you're going to wind up early, or today also we are going to spend till 9.
No, 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 not 9. Maybe now time is 6:30, right? Up to
Yes.
7:30 I will take.
Okay. So okay. So in demo sessions also you like it is like you'll start the
I'm going to start the content. I'm going to take one topic and I will continue.
okay, okay, fine.
The
From
topic won't be repeated. The topic won't be
okay,
repeated.
okay, okay.
Yes, any other? Feel free to ask your questions.
Uh, Sir, these videos, I see these sessions are being recorded. So these recordings will be also shared to us as part of this.
Yes, 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 yes. Recording also will be shared. These
Okay.
videos will be having some duration, like maybe 6 months duration they are going to give.
Okay, okay. So let's say due to some medical emergency or some anything.
No
This
problem,
week?
no problem.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
One last question. Like you'll be sharing some like material also that we can practice or something like that, or you can.
Those things will be shared in the class only. See, whatever resources are there, we will share that resources and I will
Okay,
guide you how to access that resources also. Okay.
okay, okay, fine.
Any other?
And what will be the like charges for this course? Like it's already
It is
mentioned.
it is already mentioned, right? Around 3,000 rupees will be there,
Yeah.
including live classes, videos, and material. Material means running notes.
Okay.
Right. So I'm going to take one topic like sorting algorithms. So what is mean by sorting algorithm? The total topic of sorting algorithms we will take today and tomorrow. Okay. So because it is an easy topic and everyone can able to understand this. So now let us start about one main important topic, sorting algorithms. Sorting algorithms. Sir, we know what is mean by sorting, right? Sir, what is mean by sorting? Suppose if I have some data is there with me, I want to arrange that data in some order. That is called as what? Sorting. So I can say arranging. Okay, arranging the elements or objects in some order is called as sorting. Okay, so we can perform this sorting in two ways. What is the first way? Sir, the first way is we have some predefined methods or we have some predefined functions are there. So in our list also we have sort method, right? So we have ready-made methods are there. We can use those ready-made methods to solve that. What is another option? Sir, even user defined methods also we can use, that we have to implement by our own, like we have bubble sort, selection sort, like that we have different sorting techniques are there. Anyway, that part we will see later. Okay, so now if you are taking about integers, like assume I have 1 5, okay, otherwise so I will take 7, so 5, next 1, next 3, okay, next 6, next 4, so next 2. If I have like this, so if I arrange in ascending order, what will happen? You will get elements like this is called as what? Ascending. Sir, even you can take in descending also, right? Like that we have. So generally we can arrange the data in ascending order. So you can arrange the data in descending order. Sir, alphabetically, A to Z you can arrange, Z to A you can arrange, and even sometimes customized sorting is also allowed. Customized sorting means what? Suppose I have a group of strings are there. I want to arrange those group of strings in ascending order based on the length. So the string which is having less number of characters should come first, and the string which is having more number of characters should go last. Like that I want to do. Is it possible or not possible? Yes, happily we can do that. So this is nothing but introduction for sorting what we have. So if you understand these, first I will explain what are all the predefined sorting functions are there. Then we will see what are all the user defined sorting functions that we have. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now, sir, in Python, especially in Python, so we have two types of predefined sorting functions. There are two types of predefined sorting functions are available. What is the first one? Sir, for list objects, we will use sort, right? And what is the second one? Sir, already sorted function is there, which will take a sequence. There are two ways. There are two ways are there. Sir, which one we have to choose? Which one we have to choose? That's what I am telling. Sir, based on some requirement. First, let me take first one, then second one. Based on that, you will get clarity. Sir, whenever you are talking about list.sort method, so what is this one? Sir, there are multiple approaches are there here. It is applicable. It is applicable only for list objects. Wow, this is nothing but the biggest advantage. Sir, I want to sort only list. Then better you can go for list.sort. Sir, I have a tuple is there. I want to sort that. Then what we have to do? Sir, we need to go for sort method, because sort method will never work for tuple. Sir, okay, fine. Now my question is, sir, if we want to, okay, if we want to perform sorting in ascending order, if I want to perform sorting in ascending order, which method we have to use? List.sort. Now, if we want to perform in descending order, Sir, which method we have to use? List.sort within bracket. You need to take reverse is equal to true. Like that, if you are passing keyword arguments with value, then only it will perform sorting in descending order. Next, sir, if we want to, okay, so if we want to sort if we want to sort based on our requirement, I own requirement is there, no problem. List.sort key is equal to, sir, you can take a function. You have to define a function. That function you have to pass it as an argument. These are nothing but three ways what we have. What is the first way? List.sort, which will arrange the data in ascending order. List.sort of reverse is equal to true, which will arrange the data in descending order. Then list.sort key is equal to function. Whatever function that you applied, so that function code is there, right? Based on that, it will arrange the data. Like that we have. Are you clear with this theory part? Then I will explain the programs. Are you clear with the theory part?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Let us
Yes.
take one example. What is the first example I am taking here is, sir, let me open my Python file test.py is there. Okay. Sir, I am taking a list where the elements are 10, 14, 12, so 15, 13 and 11. Like this we have. So I am trying to print this list and I am taking L.sort. Okay, I am taking L.sort. That's all. After this, I will print the list. Can I say the data present here is going to be sorted or not? Yes, definitely it is going to be sorted. So let us execute this program and check really whether sorting is performing or not. Let us execute this and check. So I'm trying to execute this program. You know very well how to execute the Python program, right? What we need to do? We have to open a command prompt and inside this, so move to the folder where we saved our files. Move to the folder where we saved our files. Then, sir, py space test.py I am giving. Are you seeing? These are nothing but the initial values what we have, and after sorting, these are nothing but the values what we are getting. Can I say, so all these elements are sorted in ascending order or not? Yes. This example is giving very clear clarity how to sort the data in ascending order. Sir, how to sort the data in descending order? I told right, the approach is the same. Only modification is here we have to take reverse. Okay, reverse is equal to true. So now if we execute, you can see the data is coming in descending order. Okay. So if we have integer data is there in your hand, how to sort that data in ascending order and how to sort that data in descending order, you people are very clear. Any questions from your end? Please confirm. Yes, feel free to ask the questions. Any doubts? Right. Good. No. Next. Sir, example number 3. Sir, you have taken integer objects, right? Can you please take string objects and can you please show me? Means yes. It will work for string objects also. Let me take Sir, triple H. So triple B, triple P, triple C, triple K, triple A, like that I have taken. So irrespective of the content, whatever you have given, you can see the data is arranged in ascending order with respect to the string. Triple A, triple B, triple C, like that the data is arranged. So if you want to do the same thing in descending order, if you want to do the same thing in descending order, sir, what you need to do? Very simple. Sir, here you have to take reverse is equal to true. Automatically, that string content will be on reverse order. You can see, sir, triple P, like that the objects get sorted. So these are the basic terminology, right? How to sort the data in ascending order, how to sort the data in descending order. Are you clear with this? Please confirm.
Yes.
Right. Next example. Sir, I am taking some string objects. I am taking some string objects. So let us consider these string objects include, sir, first I am taking Ram. Next I am taking, sir, Prabhas. Next I am taking Charan. Next I am taking Tarak. Okay. Next I am taking Arjun. Next I am taking Kalyan. Okay, so next I'm taking Mahesh. You can see all these are nothing but Telugu hero names. Sir, I want to sort this. If you perform sort, what will happen? According to the alphabets, it is arranging. First Arjun, then Charan, like that. Sir, this is not my requirement. The string which is having less number of characters should come first. Like that I want. Sir, what we have to do? It is additional functionality, right? I told we have to write key is equal to some function. What is that function? You have to define that function which will take some name or which will take a string. What code you have to write so that based on that parameter I will solve. Now listen carefully. Sir, I am taking written length of the string. Array, what is the length of the string? Can you please written? That length will be considered as parameter for sorting. Now observe, I am saving and I am running this code. Now observe, py space test.py. Are you seeing? Sir, first which string is coming? Ram. Next, Tarak. 5 characters, 6 characters, 6. Okay, 6, then 6, like that. Sir, here from here onwards all are having 6 characters. How it is coming? Is it alphabetical? No, because if it is alphabetical, after Arjun Charan should come, right? How it is following? Sir, in the input, in which order it is appearing, in the same order we are getting. Ram, Sir, Tarak, Arjun and Prabhas both are having same number of characters. Next, Charan is also having same number of characters. Like that it is working. But internally what is happening, that part and all we will see later. As of now, according to the characters, is it sorted or not? Yes. Clear, friends? Now I want to sort according to the length, but in descending order. What you have to do? Sir, don't disturb the logic. No need to disturb the logic, right? Then what thing we need to disturb here? The only thing is, sir, after this you need to take reverse is equal to true. That's all. That's all. Automatically, sir, is the reverse order is coming? Yes, 6, like this. At last 3 characters word is coming. Okay, there is a change in the order that is called as a stability in the sorting algorithm that we will discuss later. Okay, clear, Amma? Everyone, feel free to ask the questions. Clear up to this? Someone is asking, is it available in the linked list? Sir, we can do sorting in linked list also. We will implement that. Any other questions?
I had one question.
Hmm.
The key can be direct. So length is also a predefined function, right? So what if I will say key equals to length of s? So will it throw error or how it will behave?
We have lambda functions, right?
Yeah.
We can replace that.
Okay.
It should be a function. Whatever function is written in, that it should.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you.
Right. Sir, I don't want this. Can you please sort? Can you please sort? Based on second character. Based on second character. Because, sir, if I am not taking this, what is happening? Alphabets wise, it is sorting, right? Arjun is coming first, like, but I don't want that. Can you please sort based on this second character? Sir, second character means what is its index? Sir, yes of one, right? Now here I am passing that the key is equal to the function. Now see what changes are there. Are you seeing Ram is coming first? Second character A, second character A, second character A, then H, then R, like that. Sir, I don't want this. Can you please take last character? So -1 we can take, right? Now you can see what will happen. Sir, H is coming first, then K, then M, N, N. Like that we will get it. Anything you can use. There is no issue at all. Sometimes they are going to ask a tricky questions like this. So if you know the functionality, if you read the problem statement maybe 3 or 4 times, easily you can able to get. Okay, got it? Clear, friends? Please confirm. Right. Now, sir, I observed all the functionalities. Everything is working fine. There is no problem at all. But there is one small loophole is there. What is the loophole is? Sir, I have some student objects are there. Can you please sort that? Yes, why can't? Happily we can sort. Sir, student objects means what? We need to take an object-oriented concept here. I am taking one student class and I am going to initialize some parameters like name of the student, hall ticket number, let it be marks. So self dot name is equal to I am taking name. Self dot hall ticket number is equal to I am taking hall ticket number. Self dot marks is equal to I am taking marks. And you know about underscore str, right? What is the meaning of this? It will return string representation. I will return the string in a formatted message saying, sir, self dot hall ticket number first or self dot name first, followed by comma. So self dot hall ticket number. So followed by comma, self dot marks. Based on this, I'm going to do the sorting. Sir, I want to sort these student objects. So forget about all these. I'm going to create some student objects. Consider first student is, sir, student of, let me take the name as a Prakash, and ID hall ticket number is nothing but, so let us take 103, and marks are nothing but 90. Like that, I'm giving some, sir, 4 or 5 objects I'm taking. Sir, name is nothing but something like Kalyan I'm taking. So next and after that, I'm going to take Abhishek or Abhi. Okay, next I'm going to take so BHANU Banu. Okay, then I'm going to take Srinath, something like that. 5 student details are there. I will take a list with this information like S1, comma S2, comma S3, S4, S5. I have a student records are there, right? Now I will print, sir, before sorting. What is the content for each student object in the list? Can you please print that student object? Just I'm printing the content. Now let us see. Sir, before sorting, these are the records what I have in my hand. If you are clear up to this, I will explain the logic for performing sorting. Clear? Clear everyone? Right. So now I want to sort. Better I will print the same message saying after sorting. Sir, what we are doing after sorting? Just L dot sort. Will it sort? Definitely no. Sir, why? You can see if I am doing sorting, I am trying to apply the comparison, but that comparison is not supported, right? That comparison is not supported. Sir, what you can do in this case? You can write your own code. What is that code? Sir, key is equal to I will take a function. So what that function is going to do? This function is going to take one student object and it will return. Based on name we are sorting, right? I will return the name. Name is what? A string. According to the string, it is going to sort. Have a look once. Sir, first Abhi came, then Banu, then Kalyan, then Prakash, then Srinath. Like that, it is a sorting. Let us change here. Sir, 101, 104, 105, so 102 and 67 and here 99. Okay, next here 95 and here 98, like that. Sir, is every record is changing? Yes, like that we have. This is how to arrange the data in ascending order based on what? Name. So this is based on name ascending order. Sir, based on name, I want a descending order. What you need to do? Sir, here you have to take after this reverse is equal to true. Now what will happen? In descending order we will get. So you are clear with this case how to perform sorting based on ascending order and descending order. Friends, is this example number 8? Is it clear for everyone? Hmm, right. So now, like that, can you please take, based on hall ticket number, can you sort? Yes. Program is the same, right? What is a modification? Sir, here you need to change in function. What is the change? Yes dot hall ticket number. It is a number, right? Automatically based on hall ticket number. 101 came first, 102, 103. Like that, it is arranging the data. Sir, I want to arrange. Okay, I want to arrange. So based on marks, what we can do? The code is the same, sir. What is a modification? Sir, here we have to take change in the function. What is a change? Sir, yes, sir, dot, I am taking marks. Now you can see, sir, based on marks, it is taking the data in ascending order, right? Yes. This is nothing but what we have. Any questions? Any questions with this? Clear, everyone?
Sir, I have one question. Where do we exactly use this in application? I mean, any example?
Sorting is the very common requirement everywhere, right? See, you can take anything. Definitely, sorting must be required. Suppose I want to, if you take the student records also, I want to publish the student ranks in the university website. So I have a data is there, huge data is there. In that data, who secured first rank, how you can able to assess. So marks will be there. Based on that, you are going to sort the data in ascending order or descending order, like that. Okay. Next, example number 10. Sir, this is a bit next level concept. Please listen. Sir, I have a list is there with elements, something like a 10, so 40, next 30, 50, 20. Okay. Next 10. Let us take at the very beginning 70 or 60, like that. 60. Like that we have. Sir, if you print the list, I am using one more method like L.sort. You can see the data is going to be sorted. Now listen carefully. There is one more method with the name sorted. Now what will happen? Is the sorting is happening? No error, but whatever original list is there, the same list is coming. Then, sir, what sorted will do? Sorted is a special function where you are going to give your list object to some third party person. This third party person is going to sort that. Again, he is going to return a new list. So, whatever list that you have, it won't be updated. It will return a new list. It won't touch the old list. Disturbance won't be there. So that means what you are trying to say, whatever return value is coming, let us store it in NL. NL means what? Assume it is a new list. Sir, in that new list, if you check, is the data is coming in sorting order or not? Sir, one point you got right. What is the difference between sort and sorted? For sort, whatever inputs you will supply, it will sort and it will update in the same variable. But in the case of sorted, it won't update in the same object. Instead of that, it will do sorting and it will return a new object. So whenever you need modifications, with that modifications, I need a new object. Have you remembered? There is a concept called mutability and immutability, which is going to play an important role. So for that, we are using these kind of scenarios. Sir, the difference between list and sort and sorted. At least 1 or 2 points. Clear, right?
I have one question. So, like, we have these predefined methods, and we have like data structure also available with us, like the linked list and so. So, if we have to compare our method with the predefined method, like which one is better? Is it possible? Like, do we know the functionality behind these lists, and what's the time complexity for this predefined method?
If you think logically in a programmer manner,
Mhm.
so we have two tools are there. One is a predefined, another one is user defined.
Yeah.
So when n number of users are developing some tool, definitely if it is commonly required, what developers, Python developers or Java developers are going to do, they will insert that logic or that tool into their libraries, correct?
Correct.
Which is always the best option, right? So when
Yeah.
you have a predefined and user defined, which is the best? Predefined only, because they have selected the best version among multiple versions. Point number one. Second point is the complexity issues will be there. Sir, while selecting the best, they are going to see these parameters, right? So whatever algorithm they have selected and they implemented, that will be the best. But why we are learning user define also? As a programmer, we need to learn. Tomorrow we may become developers, right?
Yeah.
For that. Got it, sir? Your doubt got clarified?
Yeah.
Right. Now, sir, I'm taking another example. Yes.
Sorry, I have a quick question. So, is only for lists, or we can apply this in data frames to
Yeah.
this
We can
work
do
in
that.
data?
We can do that. I will explain that part later.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Now you can see here, sir, sorted is there, right? Can I apply this sorted for a tuple object? Let me check. For a tuple object, let me check. Here I'm going to take T. Now have a look once. Yes, sir, initially it is a tuple, but after sorting, what is happening? Sir, I'm getting a list. So the output of sorted method, is always a list. Okay. So the output of sorted method is always a list. That's all. What about sort? Sort is applicable only on list object. Sorted method we can apply on any type of object, but the output is always what type? List type. Why? What is the reason? Because if you take tuple, sir, it is a immutable version, right? We can't do modifications on the tuple object, then how you can expect? Like that it is going to give you. Clear everyone? Got it, sir? Please confirm. Now listen carefully. Last example. Sir, what is the next example here is observe carefully, friends. I'm taking one list with some elements like 10 minus 15, 13 minus 11, 16, like this. Now I'm printing the list. And also I'm trying to print new list. Sir, what is that new list is? Sorted off list. Please listen carefully. What output we are getting? Sir, I got an output where the minimum number of elements. That means the negative numbers is coming first, the two in order, and the positive numbers are coming next in ascending order as usual. Sir, this part we expected already. because by seeing the code itself we can analyze, right? Now I'm having one bad requirement is there. What is that requirement is, sir, don't think about the sign. I don't want a sign. Whatever sign is there, ignore that. By ignoring the sign, can you please do that? By ignoring the sign, can you please do that? Someone asked one question. Now just I am trying to clear that. Sir, yes, you can take. What is that possibility? In addition to this, you can pass a key, right? What is that key? It is a functionality. I am defining that functionality, which will take a number x, or let me take, which will take a number m. What is a code? If the number is positive or 0, then return that number as it is. Otherwise, what is the meaning? That number is negative, right? Can you please return minus of n? So that it is going to return positive, right? If 10 is coming, 10 is greater than or equal to 0, it will return 10. If minus 15 is coming, is it greater than or equal to 0? No. Then what will happen? Minus of minus 15, it will return plus 15. Now case will be ignored, right? Now are you seeing 10, sir, minus 11, 13, 15. By ignoring the case it is doing. By ignoring the case it is doing. Like that we have. Sir, everyone clear? Everyone clear? Right. Now, yes, Kranti Kumar, good. That's what I am telling. So there is one student who asked previously, right? Can I use directly also length function, something like that? Now, this entire thing, already predefined tool is there, right? What is the tool? Sir, there is a function named with ABS. Input for the ABS is a number. Output for this ABS is nothing but the absolute value of the number. Now, is it going to work? Yes. You may feel like SAR is showing previous output. Let us take, okay, so minus 12 and 17. Now see what will happen. Sir, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. If I remove this, then automatically what will happen? The order is going to change. Minimum values will come first. Like that we have, sir. Okay. So how predefined sort function, how predefined sort function is working, you people are having clear clarity, it seems. Any questions? Any questions? Right. So with this, I'm going to stop the demo session. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to see the continuation of sorting algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, so merge sort, quick sort. These sorting, 5 to 6 sorting techniques are there. These sorting techniques I will explain in the tomorrow's class. And after that, next weekend onwards, if you want to join into this course, make the payment, get registered, and attend the sessions. And I already told the session timings are from 7 p.m. onwards. And please be available half an hour or 1 hour before. Why? Because with intimation, sometimes I will start at 6 o'clock also. And tomorrow class is at 6 p.m. only. Any other?
Sir, yeah, 6 o'clock it will be fine for me as I was saying, sir. 7:30 I have another batch. Like I'm also learning database, so that classes start around 7:30. After that, so it will be
Okay.
good if we can start 6 o'clock or early. That is fine for me, sir.
We will see, sir. But actually, the batch was already started at 7 o'clock, around some 10 students are there in that batch, and it is an add-on batch. You know the pattern of our batches, right? So we planned another batch just to increase the strength. So the official timings are 7 o'clock only. Okay. So if you want, whenever you have a time, just you can attend. Otherwise, you can go through the recording. So it's your choice. But the batch is 7 p.m. only, weekends. Sometimes I'm going to start at 6. Before that, it won't be. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, one last thing. So from next week, it will be like around 7 till 10, right? Because
7 to 10. 7 to 10. It is fixed.
Yeah.
6 o'clock means I will inform. I will inform.
Mhm.
That too, maximum, there are some topics, sir, like linked list. It's a lengthy topic. For that, we are going to take some 1 hour before. I will give half an hour break also. Why? Because that's a lengthy topic. We need more attention on that. For such type of topics, I will fix at 6 o'clock. You can see there are
Yeah,
some
yeah.
topics like tree, graph, and linked list. For these 3 topics, and also stack queue. For these 5 topics, I will start at 6 o'clock. Hardly some 4 classes we will start at 6.
Mhm.
Any questions? Right. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.